Hello everyone, myself Hemant Panchal from New Catholic Mission School, Java. Today we start chapter number 2 for class 6. Chapter name is whole number. So we start what is numbers. According to your books, we have two types of numbers: natural number and whole number. First we discuss natural number. Natural number, that means naturally our counting start from 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So we call this number is a set of natural number denoted by capital N. That means natural number always start from 1. And now we discuss whole number. Whole number, that means start from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. That means along with natural number, along with 0, natural number, that is called whole number. That means whole number always start from 0, and also called the natural number along with 0 is called whole number. This is a number. Now we discuss next topic in your book, successor and predecessor. Successor, predecessor. Okay, first we discuss successor. Successor, that means plus 1 and predecessor means minus 1. How to find successor of particular number? Successor equal to any natural number plus 1. For example, if you find successor of 81, that means 81 plus 1 equal to 82. 82 is the successor of 81. Let's take another example, 24. So 24 plus 1 equal to 25. So 25 is the successor of 24. This is the successor theory. Now we discuss predecessor. Predecessor, that means any natural number minus 1. For example, 24. What is the predecessor of 24? For this, 24 minus 1 equal to 23. So 23 is the predecessor of 24. Another example, 11. What is the predecessor of 11? So 11 minus 1 equal to 10. So 10 is the predecessor of 11. So always plus 1 for successor and always minus 1 for predecessor from any natural number. So now we discuss number line. Next topic from your chapter 2, number line. Number line. Number line, that means a line that shows all whole numbers. A line that is show all whole numbers is called number line. With the help of number line, we are able to show different whole number represent on the number line. So we draw a line, mark 0, start from 0, mark 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. So it is called number line, a line that show different whole number. Okay, so this is called number line. Now next topic in this your book, operation with the help of number line. Operation operations with number line. So that means with the help of number line we perform different operation like addition. We perform addition with the help of number line. For example, 2 plus 3, 2 plus 3. With the help of number line, first we draw the number line, mark 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So first we draw the number line and now we add 2 plus 3 from start from 2 and how many jump? 3 jump. 1, 2, 3. Which number we reach? 5. So that means 2 plus 3 equals to 5. That means it is called unit distance. Unit distance and it is means jumps. How many jumps? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So it show your jump. So we make 3 jump, start from 2, 1 jump, second jump and third jump and we reach at number 5. That means 2 plus 3 equals to 5. Now we take another example. 1 plus 4. Okay, start from 1. Now we add 4. How many jumps? 4 jumps. Start from 1. 1 jump, second jump, third jump and 4 jump. Which number we reach? 5. So 1 plus 4 equals to 5. So this is the theory of addition with the help of number line. Now we perform subtraction. Subtractions. Subtraction. Now we also perform subtractions with the help of number line. For example, 4 minus 2. So we start from 4 and minus 2. That means we move toward the left side for subtraction and move toward the right side for addition. So now in case of subtraction we start from 4 and move toward left side. How many jumps? 2 jumps. 1, 2. Which number we at reach? 2. That means 4 minus 2 equals to 2. Always move toward left side for subtraction and always move toward right side for addition. We take another example for subtraction. 5 minus 1. Now we start from 5. How many jumps? 1 jump. Because of we perform subtraction, move toward left side. How many jumps? 1. Now result is 4. 5 minus 1 equals to 4. So this is the subtraction theory with the help of number line. Now we perform multiplication also. With the help of number line, we also perform multiplication. Let's see. multiply 2 into 3. Okay, in case of multiply we start from 0, always start from 0, and unit distance is 2. What is unit distance? This is called unit distance. So how many numbers? 2 unit distance, and how many jump? 3. So start from 0 with unit distance 2, first jump, second jump, and third jump. Which number we at reach? 6. So 2 multiplied by 3 equal to 6. Now we take another example for multiplication. 3 into 2. Again we start with 0. Start from 0. How many unit distance? 3. 1, 2, 3. How many jump? 2. 1 and 2. First jump and second jump. Now result is 6. So 3 into 2 equal to 6. This is a multiplication theory with the help of number line. So now we discuss next topic related to whole number. Okay, now our next topic is properties on whole number. So first property in your book, closure property. In closure property, if we add two different whole number, 2 plus 3, 2 is a whole number, 3 is a whole number, so we get 5. 5 is also whole number. So in addition is closed under closure property. For subtraction, 4 minus 2, 4 is whole number, 2 is whole number, we get 2. But 2 minus 4, 2 is a whole number, 4 is a whole number, we get minus 2, and we can't consider minus 2 as a whole number because minus 2 is not a whole number. So subtraction is not closed always. हमें always subtraction is not closed always. For multiplication, 2 into 3 equal to 6, 4 into 2, 8, 2 is a whole number, 3 is a whole number, and 6 is also whole number. 4 is a whole number, 2 is a whole number, 8 resulted 8 is a also whole number. So we can say multiplication is closed. So this is a closure property with the related to the whole number. Now we discuss commutative property. Commutative property. These properties related to order of number. That means in variable form a plus b is equal to b plus a. That means 2 plus 3 is equal to reverse form 3 plus 2. 2 plus 3 5 and 3 plus 2 5. That means LHS equal to RHS. In both case your result is same, your answer will be same. So we can say that in addition is commutative. So your addition is commutative. Now for multiplication, a into b is equal to b into, for example 3 into 2 is reverse form 2 into 3. 3 2s are 6, 2 3s are 6. Your result will be same. So multiplication is commutative. So addition and multiplication is commutative. So now we discuss associative property. Associative property. In associative property, we talk about bracket, changing brackets, like a plus b plus c equal to a plus b plus c. We make a pair a plus b, and here we make a pair b plus c. Now we change the bracket, here a plus b and here b plus c. Now put the value 2 plus 3 plus 4, here 2 plus 3 plus 4. We make a pair according to this. We make a pair according to this. Now we solve. First we solve bracket, always 2 plus 3 5 plus 4. Again first we solve bracket, 3 plus 4 7, 5 plus 4 9, 2 plus 7 9. LHS equal to RHS. Our result will be same in addition. So we call addition is associative. So our addition is associative. Now multiplication is associative or not, we check. Now we check multiplication is associative or not. In variable form, a into b into c equal to a into b into c. We make a bracket. We make a bracket b into c, and here we make a bracket a into b. Now put the value 2 into 3 into 4, 2 into 3 into 4. According to this, we make a bracket. Now first we solve bracket, 2 into 3 4s are 12, 2 3s are 6 into 4, 2 12s are 24, 6 4s are 24. Our answer will be same, LHS equal to RHS. So we can say that multiplication is also associative. Now we discuss last property regarding the whole number is distributive property. Last property is distributive property. We also call multiplication over addition. Distributive property is also called multiplication over addition. For example, 3 into 15, answer will be 45. So according to distributive property, we also solve this another method. We distribute 15, 10 plus 5. Now we solve. First we multiply 3 and 10. So 3 into 10 plus 3 into 5. We distribute these 4. We call multiplication over addition, multiplication over addition. Now solve. 3 10s are 30, 3 5 are 15, that means 30 plus 15 45. This is a method of distributive property. With the help of distributive property we make calculation easily. We take another example, 4 into 25. We can write as 20 plus 5. Now we distribute 4. First we multiply 4 into 20 plus 4 into 5. 4 20s are 80. 4 5s are 20. 80 plus 20, 100. 100 will be your answer. So this is the method of distributive method. With the help of distributive we also call multiplication over addition. Multiplication over addition. Thanks for watching this video.